Hi everybody, I'm Oz from Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. That's Jack over there.
This is gonna be good.
And I got a bone to pick. Like, we're gonna post this out here because I was just gonna rant put this on my own channel, but this is food related, so it's gonna come here. Now, this weekend I went and saw The Color Purple in the movie theater, which was an outstanding movie. Haven't seen it, it's a better book, like always, but that's not what I'm ranting about here. But I went to a movie, and I have a bone to pick with people. I'm probably going to get taken out by the Orville Redenbacher Mafia group people, where I get jiffy popped one way or another. But who in the fuck decided to do popcorn in a movie theater? Like, movies should be quiet. There's people getting paid millions of dollars to make movies and do the music and the sounds right. They get everything done, and you can't hear it because you're chewing on fucking gravel because you got fucking popcorn in your goddamn face, right? And you just eat and you're like, popcorn. And that's fine. You wouldn't want to listen to it. You want to fuck up your movie thing. That's fine. But now I can't hear because you're chewing goddamn gravel across the thing. I can't hear what's going on. I can't see nothing. And popcorn. And it's not like, oh, you're just putting in a couple pieces. You fuckers are shoveling it in by the handful. And if you miss, if it runs out and gets you your beard or your boobs or down your stomach and shit, people just pulling it off and eating it anyway, like goddamn cavemen, and it's crunching every goddamn. They really need to get rid of popcorn in movie theaters. I might be wrong. You can at me if you feel like it, but that's one of the dumbest things. I mean, French fries, something that's fine. Something you don't have to cut, like a steak, like that would be a horrible thing. But popcorn is a horrible idea. Whoever did it needs to get kicked in the nuts. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. That's just stupid. You can catch us on YouTube, and don't bring up popcorn.